PLC Network here. We have another comparison. This is using a Nextbase Dashcam, the 612GW to be specific. This is their flagship model that can record up to 4K at 30 frames per second. But what we're doing right now is we're actually watching the resolution that's one step below that. This is 1440p at 60 frames per second, so you can see the difference between the two. And with 60 frames per second, you can see in this video that a lot of the objects moving past the camera are a lot smoother than they would be at 30 frames per second. Now, this road isn't exactly the smoothest in points, but it is a clear picture. The light poles and everything are clear. License plates are clear. You're going to get less motion blur as objects move by the camera and/or the camera is moving itself. Now we're looking at 4K at 30 frames per second. We're seeing a much larger resolution. We're still going to see license plates. In some cases, we might even see them in a much fuller quality, but less so much as when they're moving. You'll see a little bit more jitter and blur with those moving objects, but you're going to see a lot more detail in the resolution, both color and description for objects passing by. Again, a little bit more blur and jitter, but things look really nice here. You're definitely going to see more detail in objects that you're stopped behind. If you're at a red light or anything like that, that license plate's going to be a lot more clear than it would be at 1440, obviously, because you got a bigger picture. You're going to have more pixels in there, so you're going to get more of a crisp, clear shot, a blown up shot of that license plate frame, which really benefits you if you ever need to zoom in on anything. You just simply lose that once you begin moving again, which again, 30 frames per second.